wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another day with the Newby fam. So, as you guys can see, I'm in the kitchen. Ah!
Yes, sir.
There's my grandma.
A face mask too.
I want a face mask. I'm about to cook some food. We got my great granny here. What are you keeping at?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Mama said pretty cool. So we're just here at home. The kids are at daycare. Anyways, I'm about to shove up some chicken. I'm gonna do some rotisserie chicken, salad, and rice and peas. I was debating if I want to do rice and peas, but I'm going for rice and peas. Oh gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna go unpack all these groceries and start cooking. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog me cooking, but we shall see. We shall see. I'll do a quick grocery haul if my phone stays and doesn't fall. So I have my 10 pack of chicken. I have my broccoli. These are actually on sale too. They were like 50 cents for this is the Crown. So I'm gonna also make some broccoli. Have my thyme. I'm gonna also make, oh my god, I forgot to buy ginger. Dang, I wanted to make cucumber juice, but I forgot to buy ginger. So now I don't know. I gotta check the fridge if there's any. But I got my cucumbers. If not, they're going to the salad. Got some corn. Then I bought, this is me being lazy, I bought bag salad. It's already cut up. I bought some green beans. Again, this is me being lazy. And I'm not embarrassed about it. I bought my tin peas. Because I have something to do, so I can't really... and the time that it is right now, like I don't have time to go watch peas, so... I don't care. But then I also bought this. So whenever I'm doing rotisserie chicken, I either season it differently or I do this. So this one, these ones are really good. There's rotisserie. They have like this garlic and herb one. They have this other one too. I forgot what the other one is. But this one, you can put, it comes with like a little bag of hair. So you put the chicken in the bag and then you can just throw it in the oven and it like bakes. This is my favorite one out of all of them though. If you've never tried it, go try this. Literally, you just put the seasoning on your chicken. You can add extra seasoning if you want to, but most of the time you don't need to. The seasoning down here, and then it comes with the bag that is oven safe. So then you just put all the chickens in the bag, and then you like tie it. It comes like this little tie thing. I'll show you guys, and then you just throw it in the oven and it just bakes. But usually what I do is, after a while, I take it out the bag and I kind of just pour it in like a baking pan and just leave it in the oven. But if you never tried it, and it's by Maggie, you guys can try this. I also have 2 of that. When I get there. Yo, I remember Jamaica, and every Sunday we were at church. We were in Sunday school. We were a part of the choir in Jamaica when we lived there, and when we're up here. Like, we literally grew up going to church with our grandma. Had to read the Bible before bed. And I'm here listening to this gospel, Jamaican gospel playlist from YouTube. And it's just bringing back so much memories. Like, I'm happy that we got to experience that. Like, you know, it was fun times. I remember in Jamaica, we were part of the Sunday school choir or whatever, and me and Shauna they would have like the same matching outfits and all that stuff, and I'm just happy that we got to experience stuff like that. I'm here singing all the songs and I'm like, holy, it's so nice to know that we grew up around that and just experience that, like experience the Christianity and the gospel, and even just seeing like how gospel is up here in Canada and then back home in Jamaica. Like, I'm here singing and just vibing to the songs. Like, hope I don't get copyright, but this playlist, I'm gonna link it in my bio. It's so good, so before I get copyrighted, I have my onions, I have my green pepper, and I have some orange. I was gonna add a little bit of red, but I'm not trying to overdo it because I still gotta add my broccoli, I still gotta add my beans, and then my rice is in the pot already doing its, well, the rice is not there, but the peas is doing its thing. But yeah, so I already put the rotisserie seasoning in, so you guys can see how it's like orange. And then I did add like a little bit of black pepper, and this Maggi thing that my dad showed me, I did add a little bit of that as well. But this is basically it. It's such, rotisserie chicken is like a nice chicken. It's different than your typical like Caribbean seasoning where you'll probably use like seasoning, salt, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Like, I didn't add none of that to this because, again, I didn't want like that taste. I was not going for that. I was going for like rotisserie. So you guys will see the end product. I don't think I'm gonna use the bag. I'm just gonna use this and put full paper over it to make it like baked. But you guys will see it come together. So I did add like some chicken breast pieces in here as well. But yeah, I'm just seasoning it, let it marinate for a little, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So Shauna does not eat rice. She cut out rice completely on her diet. So I got some sweet potato. It's like all underneath in here for her. I got some broccoli, got some green pepper, red pepper, orange pepper, and there's green beans as well. I'm gonna wrap this up in foil paper and just put it to kind of like roast in the oven a little. I did have the sweet potatoes on the stove for a little to boil because, you know, sweet potato can take a while. So, and then seasoning in here, I didn't put a lot of seasoning in because she's trying to cut out a lot of like that seasoning stuff. So just a little bit of garlic powder and black pepper. Here comes Chef Mike. Have to come touch the pot. Watch him. Watch him. Shout out to Mike, my little brother. Came up with these hats. I have on mine too. Lion Lamar. But I gotta go pick up the kids, so he's gonna finish off the chicken. Said my chicken need more color. Watch him, extra, watch him. Okay, so change of plans. This is what happened. So this is gonna be like the side or on top of the chicken. But I say chicken catch color. Chicken catch color. And then you got some corn. And that's a wrap, folks.
What about this, man?
Oh yeah, my rice and peas that I almost added to. I don't know what day it is, but it's day, what, Ziggy?
Move.
Day something of something moving day.
Again.
Now
it's what?
Look at Nala's room. Yo. Well, actually, you know what? It's just because all the drawers are in here, and then I gotta organize my clothes. But I'm gonna go through my clothes and get rid of like a lot of stuff. But, and then that over there is like a pile of garbage. Jeez. And then can I just show you guys how I have a slight obsession? This is really bad. Like, this is literally all lotion, and I still have more upstairs. Like, this is bad. I don't need to buy lotion for the next 2 years. Anything to say to the camera? Anything to say to the camera?
What one?
What our weekend consists of since Friday.
Literally.
Literally.
Let's walk, come on, walk.
And not only that, like, the washroom, Ziggy's been doing like a little work on the washroom, but like the washroom's not fully done yet. This part is still being fixed. He had to fix it again last night. I think he did update you guys earlier that it was, or you would have seen in the vlog already that it was leaking again. And then we also got like a new shower head for there.
I'm gonna put in party light. Oh,
this guy's trying to make the shower all romantic for us and things. Where is it?
Like something can go on. Watch it.
Alexa, play Dexter Dabs. What am I singing? I don't even know what I'm singing. Every plan up it cancelled.
You didn't even push the button. This one.
Oh, I did.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah! Let me stop. Let me behave, Nisha. Behave. But anyways, we literally went to the store and we just picked that up for fun. We were just trying a thing still. Not really trying a thing, but we were just bored. Wasting money. But anyways, so that's what's going on for today. Hopefully we can organize up here so that, you know, we kind of do have to organize up here because this is where we're gonna be. But I need to go tackle this room and move all of these. What happened?
This.
What?
Make up your mind before I start putting on the foot them.
The carpet?
Yeah.
Anybody want lotions? Lotions? Should send them to Jamaica, so I should do. But y'all see how it's kind of looks like it's too much going on this side, so I gotta take out the computer desk, hence why I have to go fix the other room. Oh god. Yeah, I gotta go fix the other room because this dresser is actually not staying on that wall. This needs to come out. So I need to go fix up the other room so I can take this part out. But y'all, progress. Progress. Well, you don't remember where it was?
I think it was.
You think? You better know for the whole bed drop down with us.
1, 2, 3, 4. How much piece of this? So me want to tell me one the things apart with the young. I can't sing it. Yeah. You see, look at settings, look a bit tight. You know, this room I kind of have more stuff because they my kitchen stuff them. But we just try and make some space so we can. So Nisha being worked out here. So we won't computer room. We have a little fridge so we keep all of the juice them. You don't know. They are set up the game. You know?
They hear you?
Look at this.
I'm here
Look at this.
Left me to do all the housework.
Liar.
Like I'm house
Liar. Yo, nigga, I make down everything come down here. Bed, everything me have to carry come down here by myself. I know me left him for do liquor. You see how woman tan?
You see how man tan?
You see how woman tan?
Because they carried down everything, woman must clean up. So you should left me to carry everything then.
That bad, talk it true. Like if not for to get the opportunity to just put up liquor lights and one liquor dresser, one liquor say, oh, complain, but Nisha they complain.
What's up your face? What's up? Go shut up your bootleg man cave.
My bootleg man cave, eh? So I try to set up my liquor corner, I have my computer over here, so put up my game right there, so you know, I not even know which one I go put the game, but you know, because I don't want to put it on the floor, you know, I don't want to put it on the floor, daddy. I'll find something to put it still, yeah. So I try to set up my game, I have my chair right there, so if I don't play game I want to jump on my laptop, I just yee! Then for laptop and yeah, so come back over here, so yeah. Don't know anything set, but process thing I come on. You know? Kind of drop in a little 1, 2 over here, so still. Nisha touch up in the corner. You know? Drop in back, you see, in about the some paint, blue paint right there, so to finish up over there, so you know. And as I'm missing, I go take out this, put one pot light, you know. Where I put something over it tile, that's how which way I can put everything. Yeah, pot light just make the place like look
obsessed
nice.
With pot light. It really does though, because before,
right?
How down here did look.
Right. So I guess by finish moving and moving and moving around, everything take a little time kind of start move way and something. Nisha, quick question.
Yo.
Quick question.
Shoot.
Serious answer.
Shoot.
Serious answer. Shoot. So, when you have one man in your life, which way you think you're reaching in life?
What the hell? What do you mean?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Like, what you think you'd be up to?
You know, but yo, hold on. Before I even answer the question, hold on.
On a serious note. Easy.
Oh, yeah. But wait. If you are new here,
talk to them. Talk to them then.
what are you doing? Are you subscribed to the channel? Because if you are not subscribed, you need to stop right now and hit the subscribe button. Yeah. Go ahead right now. I'm waiting.
Yeah, wait. May I check your time too?
Minutes too long.
Yeah.
Hit the bell so you are notified, you know, whenever we upload a vlog. Hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment. Ziggy feels like I'm not communicating enough with you guys or showing you guys enough love in the comments. So at the end of this vlog.
Am I wrong or am I right? I think I'm right. No. CG over this all off. This is all live.
You know what's funny? I was thinking about it the other day. I was like, if I didn't have like a child, like what would I be doing?
Yeah, what do you think you'd be doing? Just take a quick fast thinking like
friends or something.
Yeah?
Probably
have only 2 boyfriends, you know.
Yeah. Why you have a man? I look like man hungry.
It's not man hungry, it's just
What
like
would you Okay.
It's just like life. Wait,
No, let me ask you now. What would you be doing?
Like,
You would be on the corner.
nah, sir. Wait.
Smoking some marijuana.
Like maybe a yard and.
Well, you probably would still be in Jamaica, no?
Don't say that.
Okay, no, I don't mean that in a rude way,
You never
but
know.
yes, okay, I take that back.
Right.
But I'm just saying, you might have still been in Jamaica.
Nah, man, but probably. Honestly, I don't know. My thing with that, bro, like.
It's a tough question, eh? When the camera,
Yeah,
when the
because-
spotlight's on you.
Because like I don't know my mindset that change or
Yeah,
what,
like-
that time see me, but probably more that start the things different thing. Probably more that they work. Bro, I don't even know.
But yo, how you asking me?
I should think about it for but for real, man, the thing, I think when I get my youth already still.
Probably.
No joke, like seriously.
Cause you love that shit.
I don't love that.
Yeah,
shit.
that shit.
It's just that we are man and
Whatever.
don't know.
So because you're a man, stop this.
Yeah, like I turned 30, call it a go 40.
So you're saying you have to get your youth.
Yeah, if you do it.
So you would have been careless?
Work.
You would have been careless? You think
Not
you would have
as
been?
much as
You think
I
you would have been
was.
careless, or like you probably would have settled down with a girl? It's hard to tell. When you think, it's because it's so funny you asked me this. Cause I was thinking this. I was on the toilet, TMI, and I was just sitting there thinking, and I'm like, yo, what if I never had like Nala or Ziggy? Like, where would I be? What would I be doing?
But
It's hard to think.
Kind of different because like, come. if you don't feel my mindset kind of different.
It's tough. Honestly, it's tough. Like, would I still be? No, I probably would have still been a nurse. Cause before I even met you, I was
You
a
think
nurse.
you'd pursue your dream, same way then?
Like, what would I be doing? I don't know. Like, it's hard. I'm just saying, I probably would like, okay, like in this living moment, I probably would be out chilling with a friend or something. Maybe like go out for dinner or
Yeah.
But it's hard to tell. Like, I don't know. But I don't think, like, would I be here like this? I don't even know.
But you think you still have a kid though?
I don't think so.
Probably.
No. Unless I'm like serious with the person, probably. But like just to be with someone like.
Because I think that the love that you have for kids and stuff, and you
That's what I'm saying. I would
and
have
like
to
some
be
of your
with the
friends them would
person.
have like
I would have to be with the person.
yeah, but come on, that's like 5-6 years
I'm
ago,
really
like
big on family, so I feel like
Yeah,
I think
you
you
would.
would have to be settled down. But I
Thank
don't
you.
feel like it would be like, oh, house and you know, like stuff like that.
yeah.
Like,
But do you think you?
or maybe I don't know. Like I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Yeah. You think you'd that date somebody like already have or you already?
Honestly, I'm not down for the.
What's your thought on that? On
I
that?
don't really have a thought on that. Like, you know, like if that's what it is, like I've seen it and it worked out. Sometimes it worked out for the best. But like,
Are you a fan of it or not? Like,
personally,
yeah.
I'm just scared of big mama drama. That's what I don't want. But like, if I meet someone and they tell me, and then I like from even just talking and vibing, and the baby mom is like cool vibes with me, then okay. But if it's like awkward tension from the beginning and it's just like continue, I don't know, man. I don't like that drama-ish.
Yeah, but what
just
if like
me, I
the
don't like
what if
drama.
the guy is serious about you though? Like he's like, yo, nah, I'm
But then
down
again,
for
I
you,
feel
but
like
then
if you're dating someone and then they have like their baby mom or baby dad, like that should be their issue. It shouldn't be like a triangle.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like, yes, it should be cordial because you want to make sure that, you know, your kids are like I guess it would be my step kids. So like you want to make sure you want to know who your kids are around.
True.
But at the same time, I don't feel like there should be like a full 100% connection.
What do you
zoom in
need?
on me? I don't know. Like, I personally just don't think I can.
I don't like. I may sound rude or what? I don't know. Some people gonna feel like don't say that, Ziggy, but I don't want my kids to call no one no.
But I
no,
think everyone
no,
would say that.
Right.
I wouldn't want my kids to be calling no one no mommy.
No.
Better call him auntie. Whatever.
They call him by name, Anjine.
Yeah. Why auntie?
I want to name me a search. We just come up with one name real quick.
But you guys see how Ziggy wicked left me to clean up while he got set up game. Soon burn up the game.
Set up. Everybody they set up. You they set up and me they set
What
up.
am I setting up though? I'm setting up the room for us to go lay down later. I don't
Yeah. You don't know. But we are gonna go up on the road and now go me know what Nisha saying they go for, but
we gotta get grocery.
oh, you getting grocery.
Gotta get grocery and we gotta go pick up something else. And I gotta return stuff.
Yeah, so
The amount of buy return.
I know, I was just about to say I'm not buying nothing more for my one con. I know. Yo, me here I grew up.
Ziggy wants me to, before he go pull out his hair to wash it, this man want me to go braid dirty hair.
Yo, no matter me so nasty. Yo, but that's true. Yo, you see, the thing is, yes, when you're at work, it kind of hard, you know, because you have to like, jump up, go or come in, deal with other things. Here, a minor, you know what I mean? So I just want to just get you.
I'm not giving you no doodle plats.
I'll just tell you. Man, every time I paint the friggin' place. Yo, all of the time, you think that nobody can do your part of my place and time.
So whose place is this?
Me go just like per night, as I thought, me say clean it up.
Anyways, let's go on the road because before you know it, time, guys, come back and wash my hair. Anyways, we'll be back. What the people are gonna think I didn't bait? I'm in this another red shirt again.
Nisha, that's a Nisha and you know like beard sometime.
Are you mad?
But see there?
You don't repeat.
See there? See there? Nice twist up on us, but me not wash it.
Nice twist up. Make sure they know it's you that did that before they think it's me.
Nisha do it.
No.
Okay, my name twist up.
No.
Some granny plot.
I didn't do that.
I didn't do that.
But this is our.
You want to repeat?
But this is our first night on the Gaza.
You make it seem like people better.
But anyway, so I'm gonna say this is our first night down on the block. You see, pre and I go try sleep and all, but now I don't fit in here and I feel in place. And I lie in a bed see you here. Got it? Yeah. But you don't know. Tomorrow Monday morning, you know, and I work morning again, so I don't know anything said. Yo, what time you got work?
I have to be up at 5:50.
5:15?
That's when I wake up to get dressed.
So I may drop Nyla daycare?
Yeah. Oh my god, the car seats are in my car.
Man, ain't the plan for that still. You take out our clothes? No, me take out this in them. You take out our clothes there? Me just like me just get up and just cause
see?
No, me have to go do Nyla here a morning.
You just have to put it after one.
Yes you. Yes you. Yo, me I feel one pain right as a friend what here.
Why don't you want to do your hair? Who did this? Who did this?
But yeah. So me just say good night to you know. I hope that video go up as early as possible. I have got started on mic. Mike, go hear that one. Oh, we can, yeah. Yo, Mike's every time he pass the room, like when he tell Nisha to upload the video and he pass the room, he see Nisha on the phone as he make 2 nights, like Nisha drop your phone down like him asleep. As I say, big up on yourself, you don't know anything set and as I say, may I repeat it again, subscribe to the channel, you know? Click the like button, even though just watch the video, just like up the video, because you don't know the thing said.
Randomly find this video, join the Newby gang.
If you randomly find the channel, you get a message. And if you all who went there from Jamaica days to Canada, big up on yourself.
Tell them if anybody wants to send us any housewarming gifts, we're accepting housewarming gifts.
Yeah, much appreciated. Go on in your bed.
Someone had messaged me and said I should make a like a registry, Amazon registry for Nyla, so that they can buy Christmas presents for her. Should we do that, Nyla?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You.
Alright, so
okay.
I'll think about doing it.
Hi, mommy.
Anyway, so when you don't know anything, say big up on yourself one more time.
I coulda won no.
I'm done.
Say I coulda won no.
Nyla, no. Say I'm 10. I'm 10. I'm 10.
I'm a 10.
No.
I'm a 10.
Anyway, good night. Big up on yourself. We're out.
Yo, take it.
When the rain is up, we son of one. We alone, yeah. We alone.